Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to Yummy Toddler. Today I'm going to show you guys a really amazing maths activity for nursery, uh, and that is one-to-one correspondence. So first I'm going to tell you guys what is one-to-one correspondence. One-to-one correspondence means this one is one. That's simple. And next, why one-to-one correspondence is important. It's a common mistake with many of the kids. Like, if you put something in front of them, like if you tell them like to count the things, they will count it one thing more than one time. Like if you will put these four things, and then the child will count like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like he is counting the things more than one time. He doesn't know that this is one thing, this is one thing, this is one thing, and this is the one thing. So he is not going to repeat the numbers on the same thing. This is also called a number sense. See, number sense and number recognition is something different. Number recognition is like when you put a flashcard in front of your child and he can say this is the number 4. He can say like this is the number 4, but he doesn't know the quantity. Like he cannot count. If you show him the number, he can recognize that this is the number 4, but when you put the things in front of him, he cannot count them properly. So this is called the number sense. So for number sense, one-to-one correspondence is most important thing. From 2 years onward, you can introduce one-to-one correspondence, and you can start anytime according to your child's need, or if you can see like your child's number sense is not that good, so you can introduce it at any time. So this is our first activity. In this activity, we I just drawn these panda faces and I've taken these beans. So this is the panda feeding activity. You can make any animal face, or you can just take out the prints of the animal faces, or you can draw it whatever, like however you want it, or you can take anything like pasta, lentils, anything that you want. So first you are going to tell the child that we are going to feed the panda or whatever the animals you have drawn. So then you are going to demonstrate your child by doing it, like one bean for one panda, and then you will tell to your child that it's your turn, then the child will do it. This is also a really good fine motor activity. This next activity is the fishing game. If you don't have it, you can skip it. But I had this fishing game, so I thought this is the best activity. Like we can use it. You can just use the resources, whatever you have. And if you are using the toys during the activity, the child will be more engaged in the activity, because the child has association with his toys, so he will feel more comfortable and he will be more interested. So like this, you can see the child is going to put one fish in the one hole. My darling, flies in the buttermilk shoe, fly shoe, flies in the buttermilk shoe, fly shoe, flies in the buttermilk shoe, fly shoe, skip to my loo, my darling. Loo, loo, skip to my loo, 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 skip to my loo, 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 skip to my loo, skip to my loo, my darling. Cats in the cream jar, ooh, 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 cats in the cream jar, ooh, 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 cats in the cream jar, ooh, 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 skip to my loo, my. Next activity is this Pompom Transfer. For this, you just need one ice tray, or if you have egg tray, you can also use that. And the child is going to put the pom-poms with this tongue, and he's going to put the pom-pom in one hole here. So the child is going to first you are going to demonstrate it. to the child, and then the child will do it. If you have noticed here, Ibrahim made a mistake. He is putting, he put more than one pom pom in one part. So here you are not going to interrupt the child, because this is a basic rule of Montessori. Like you are not going to interrupt the child during the activity, because he will lose his interest in this activity. When he will finish, then you are going to discuss with him. See, here also I was just discussing with Ibrahim, like, see, in all the parts you put one pom pom, and why two pom poms in these two? I think he was just trying to fill or put all the pom poms from the plate. He was just going to finish the pom poms. But anyway, we are just going to discuss with your child, and then you can remove one. I discussed with the Ibrahim, and he said yes, we should remove the one, and then he removed. Next activity, for the next activity, I've just taken this cupcake tray, and these are the reusable ice cubes, plastic cubes. You can find it in market easily, and if you don't have, you can take any manipulative, like you can find, just go in the room or in the kitchen, and you can find so many things to just do these kind of activities. And here also the child is going to put one in one. So here I was thinking like Ibrahim will use his fingers, but he said I will use these tongs to put the things. And it's okay if the child is doing it with his own ways. It's okay, let him do it, or don't interrupt him, or you don't say no, use your fingers or do like this. Even if he is just doing in his own way, let him learn, let him do the activity. Skip to my loo, my darling. Loo, loo, skip to my loo, 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 skip to my loo, 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 skip to my loo, skip to my loo, my darling. Cats in the cream jar, ooh, 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 cats. In this activity, I've just drawn these cubes on the cardboard. You can take cardboard paper, and you can just draw, or if you have any you can take the prints. You can draw or print, take out the prints of any shape, like circle, heart. I got these cubes, so I just drawn the cubes. So the Ibrahim is also, the child is going to put one cube on one cube. This is one of my favorite activities. We enjoyed it a lot. Like we got these shells and the pearls. I just during our nature walk on the beach, we collected these shells, and then I had a quick idea that we can use it for the one-to-one correspondence as well, like one pearl on one clam shell. I must say, like whenever you are going to, you must take your child to the nature walk. You can you can collect these kind of things. Like if you're going on a beach, you can collect these shells. If you're going on in a park, then you can collect some kind of, the stakes or rocks, and then you can come back and you can color them, and then use it as a manipulative.
Finish.
Wow, looking beautiful.
It's a good one. Here you go.
But it's not one, It is two. There are two pearls on one clam. Uh-oh, is it good? Is it right or wrong? But we are supposed to put one pearl on one clam.
It's wrong.
Yes, you are right.
One.
And this next activity is there's pegs and socks. You can, I just have drawn these socks. You can draw shirts or trousers or different kind of clothes. And the again one peg, or you can say it peg, clothespin or clip, whatever you can say, like one peg for one socks. This is a real life skill as well. Child is going to peg it, and the later you can unpeg also. So guys, that's it for this in this video. Please let me know in the comment section your feedback. So and please subscribe my channel and like the video. And till then, bye bye. See you again in the next video.